you finally move out of your parents' house, it's a weird, exciting, and scary feeling all at the same time. You have to be smarter, you have to be much more responsible because you are now independent. Now, when your warranty expires on your car, it's kind of the same thing because you're no longer bound to a Casa and you're no longer bound to a warranty that may expire because, well, it's already done. But you can now try on different things. You can try out better engine oils, better shops, and so many more. And together with our friends from Shell, well, we want to give you a few tips on how to take care of your car when the warranty is done. Number one, it starts with this, a vehicle owner's manual. Alam mo to, usually it's just in your glove compartment, baka nga it's still wrapped in plastic, but now it's the time to take it out and actually read it. Because inside of this, you'll find all the information you need to know about your car. Maybe even you'll learn a new feature that wasn't explained to you 3 to 5 years ago. Here you'll also find things like the specs of the bulbs that you need, the parts numbers of the things that you need, service intervals. You'll find it all here in months and or mileage, and you'll also find the specs of the oil, lubricants, and coolants that your vehicle will need. Now, if you're a DIY enthusiast just like me, well, this won't be enough. You may want to order something called a service manual. It's specific to your car. It'll give you even more information like wiring diagrams, how to service your suspension. You'll even get torque specs, all that and more. But of course, to maximize that, you'll need to have more training. But for basic matters, this is more than enough. Number two, the right parts. Now, the important principle to remember here is to go OEM or better. The owner's manual will list all the basic parts that you need, but you can always improve on what you use. OEM or original equipment manufacturer is good, but there is always better. You can opt for enhancements like nicer wiper blades, higher output, low consumption LED bulbs, spark plugs with components like iridium, and tires that prioritize grip or fuel efficiency. The important principle is to go for a genuine part from an established brand through a reputable seller. The same goes for engine lubricant. That's the blood of your engine, and you should always pick the best. Now, in the manual, you will find the basic specifications of what you need, but you can go better. Look for a higher rated one, like you would find with Shell Helix Ultra. Whether you're using a gasoline engine or a diesel, there's a Helix for your car. This lubricant actively keeps your engine clean by preventing sludge buildup and protecting the internal components from premature wear and tear. This lubricant has exceptional performance at extreme temperatures and features Pure Plus technology that uses natural gas as a base oil. And while most manuals only recommend an API rating of API SN, Helix Ultra goes even better. They are rated for API SP. That means it is suited to work well with small turbo engines and is great for reducing timing chain wear. When all is said and done, finding a good shop is going to be the critical part here. And how do you find one? Well, you look at the shop. Do they have all the equipment and do they keep it well maintained? Is the workstation clean? Are the staff well dressed and well prepared and well trained? Well, those are just some of the indicators. Hey guys, been a while. So those are some of the indicators you need to observe when it comes to evaluating a shop for your needs. And all you have to do is really look around.
Post-car warranty maintenance could be more convenient with professional shops like Car Doctor.
There is nothing to fear when your vehicle warranty expires because taking care of your car couldn't be easier, because if you have the knowledge, if you have the right parts, if you have the right partner shop, and if you have the best rated lubricants, just like Shell Helix taking care of you. To know more, visit your nearest Shell service station, your nearest independent Shell partner shop, or visit www.shell.com.ph.